In 2013, Jim walked Helen home from the Black Rock Festival. They sealed with a kiss, a love that was destined to be. Helen returned to be with Jim. And now how beautiful is that?
Anybody want a strawberry?
Jeez, I got him in.
Jim told me that being married to Helen feels so natural. He says that Helen is so funny and so caring.
And how she makes me so happy. It was only when Helen came along and pointed out pretty much did everything for me that I really realised.
Put me back in my heels when I saw her crossing the house in her wedding dress, so it was really a special moment. How stunning did she look today?
I promise to take good care of Helen. You know I'll always be there for her. I want to thank you for raising such an amazing daughter, and I'm now so happy to call her my wife. Jim, take you, Helen, to be my wife.
I, Helen, take you, Jim, to be my husband.
I take you as you are, loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
I promise to laugh at you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow.
I love you unconditionally and without hesitation. I love you for better or worse, for richer or poorer.
In sickness and in health, all the days of our lives.
Your love to me is everything. I guess I'll never know the reason why you love him like you do.
To pronounce you husband and wife.
That's
and
the
you may kiss your bride.
The wonder of you.
It is my honour and pleasure to present Mr. and Mrs. McAneen. Please be upstanding and applaud our newlyweds. Off you go.
Look at him beside.
No, straight in, okay, no cheers. No, it's fine, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Launch it. Just got married, that's fine.
Helen turned to me and said, "I'm really happy." And I asked her what she meant by saying that. And she just said that her life at the minute, the people that were in it, those that surrounded her, she was just really happy. And as I look forward to the rest of our lives together, if you find the time and the need to turn and say that to me every so often, then I'll be happy too. Can I ask everyone to be upstanding and raise a toast to my new wife, Helen McAneen.